Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable your Instagram Messenger's read scripts. So if you disable the read scripts, the other person won't get the notification or the little message which says that you have seen their message. So they won't be able to determine whether you have seen their message or not. So let's see how to disable read scripts. So in order to do this, first go to your profiles tab and then click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you have clicked here, you will be landed onto the settings and activity page. Simply scroll down until you see this option which says messages and story replies. Simply click here, and now here you can see this option which says show read scripts or show read resets. So simply click here, and all you need to do is simply disable this toggle right here and you're all set to go. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.